Good morning and happy Sunday everyone. Welcome to Il Paraiso. This is Doc Del. This morning we are going to respond to one of the requests that I received in my YouTube channel. The request is coming from Sir Justin CJ Balbido. According to him, that he wanted me to feature my special collection orchids here at Il Paraiso. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will be updated. First that I want you to see is my Vanda Loki. Okay, so I want you to see closely to this Vanda Loki. So I consider this as one of my special collection here at Il Paraiso. So when I bought this one, this is the mother plant and this is from Bacolod, and I purchased this from Sir Pedro Canson. So if you try to look at this, no, the roots are very healthy. And then when I bought this one, there are already kikis attached to the mother plant. So at this point, there are still 4 kikis attached, and the 3 kikis that I separated is already, or they are already stable. Okay, so I want you to see this one because this was the first kiki that I separated from the mother plant. Okay, so try to look at this. The roots are healthy, or she has an excellent rooting system. And then aside from this one, no, I have also 2 kikis that I repotted in the square pot. Okay, so I want you to see the first kiki that I repotted in the square pot. Okay, so try to see this one. Okay, so the roots are healthy, and then there is already a new root tip that grows on the stem of the orchid. Okay, so try to look at this one, a very healthy kiki. And okay, try to see the roots, they are also healthy. And this is the second kiki that I separated. I think this was 2 months ago or 3 months ago. And then try to see closely on the roots. Okay, and then from this kiki there are 3 kikis as well. Okay, no, so this is how this Vanda providing kikis. Okay, so from a kiki that was separated from a mother plant, now there are 3 kikis that started to grow on this pot. Okay, so if you try to look at this, no, if you try to look at this, this is one of my special collection here at Il Paraiso. So this is the Vanda Loki. Okay, so try to see this one. So this is their mother plant, and still there are kikis attached to it. And then so the 3 kikis that I separated from the mother plant, they are already stable. The next orchid that I considered as part of my special collection here in the garden is this Vanda Roy Simato. Okay, so try to see this one. Okay, if you try to look at this, look at that. There are 3 healthy kikis attached to the mother plant. Okay, so I decided to mount this in a driftwood so that they would feel that this is their natural habitat. Okay, so try to look at this. The rooting system is also excellent. And then, okay, try to see the whole flower or the whole plant. Okay, so the 3 kikis are already in blooming size. Actually, this is the second Vanda Roy Simato that I ordered from Sir Pedro Canson. No, this is from Bacolod, and this was the first order from him. Okay, a very healthy Vanda Roy Simato. Okay, so the rooting system is also excellent, and when I decided this to expose in a full sun, so I observed that this caused her to burn her leaf. So that's why I decided to place this in a filtered sunlight. Okay, so if you try to look at this, on top of it is a black and green net. Okay, so this is a garden net so that they will be protected from the heat of the sun. Okay, so this are the second orchid that I considered as my special collection. Okay, so this is it. The third orchid that I considered as my special collection is this Sanderiana alba. Okay, so actually, aside from the seedlings that I have here at Il Paraiso, so I have these 2 blooming sizes, Vanda or Sanderiana alba. Okay, so try to look at this one. They are very healthy, and of course, both of this alba has been purchased from Sir Makaraig, no, from Jensen. Okay, so I hope that soon they will be able to provide me flowers so that the effort of taking good care of them will be paid off. Okay, so actually I have I think more or less 10. However, the others are in seedling form. So when I bought this one from Sir Carl, this is already a blooming size. So that's why I am hoping that 2 to 3 years that I am growing them, they will be able to have a bloom. Okay, so this is the Sanderiana alba. Next is this Vanda ostii. Okay, so this is actually purchased from Purification Orchids, and according to the seller, that this is already a blooming size. Okay, so this is a Vanda ostii, and try to look at this. No, there are already roots that coming out, and then okay, so try to look at this. The rooting system is also excellent, and I hope that this will bloom here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so this is one of the rare vandas that we have here in the Philippines. So that's why when I saw this one, no, with the help of Sir Junaldo Pagal from Leyte, so I purchased this from Purification Orchids. Okay, so try to look at this. The Ostii is very healthy. Okay. Actually, I still have Ostii that I ordered from the Macpol Native Garden. So later I am going you to see the condition of the Vanda Ostii that I ordered from Macpol Garden, Macpol Native Garden. But try to see this one. No, I want you to see this one because this is a healthy Vanda, and this is the newest added collection here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so this is what we call the Vanda Ostii. Next is this Vanda Sanderiana, also known as Waling Waling. Okay, so I want you to see this one because this is mounted in a live tree. Okay, so the rooting system is also excellent, and I hope that this will bloom this month or next month because this is their season. No, because Vanda Sanderiana, their season will start in July and August. So I hope that this could be able to provide bloom this year. Actually, when I bought this one from Sir Francis in Davao, no, when I bought this one, this is already a blooming size. Because if you try to look at this in my previous videos, there are already 2 spikes, no? Dead spikes when I purchased this one. So meaning to say, this is already a blooming size. And I hope that this year, this will bloom so that I could be able to witness the beauty of this orchid. Okay, so this is one of, this is known as the Queen of all orchids and one of the national flowers in the Philippines. Okay, so aside from seedlings, I have here 2 blooming size Vanda Sanderiana. I purchased this from Davao, one from Sir Greenfield, and this one was coming from Sir Francis. Okay, so this is the 4th orchid that I considered my special collection here at Il Paraiso. This is the one that I am talking, the Vanda Sanderiana that I purchased from Sir Greenfield Bermejo. If you try to look at this, she is also mounted on a driftwood, and try to see closely. No, we will have a closer look on the kiki that this Vanda Sanderiana provided me. Okay, a very healthy kiki. Try to see the roots. The roots are already there on the driftwood, and I hope that this will also bloom this season. If you try to look at this, okay, so the dead spike is still there. No, because when I purchased this one, I purchased this with flowers. Okay, flowers, because there are 2 spikes when I purchased this one. So I want you to see the condition of this one. A very healthy Vanda Sanderiana. Okay, so this is it. So that's why I told you that I have 2 blooming, no? I have 2 blooming size Vanda Sanderiana here at Il Paraiso. You know what? When I saw flowers of Vanda Sanderiana from Davao, when I am scrolling my FB wall, it really motivates me to collect more of this. However, when we talk about waling-waling, no, the pure one, not the hybrid coming from Thailand. So this is one of the pricey orchids that I have here at Il Paraiso. And the last one that I considered my special collection here at Il Paraiso is this Vanda Buxali. Okay, so try to look at this. I purchased this as well from Macpol Native Garden. So for this episode, I will only be giving 5 orchids or 5 vandas that I considered my special collection. So in the next videos, I am still I will be giving you the top 10, no, top 10 vanda that I considered, or top 10 orchids that I considered my special collection here at Il Paraiso. But this time I will be introducing the 5, no, so that we could be able to save time when we are going to upload this in my YouTube channel. So this is what we call the Vanda Buxali. Okay, so this is it. Try to see the roots of this one. They already are starting to fix on the driftwood. Okay, try to see this. Okay, and I hope that this will provide blooms here at Il Paraiso. So if you try to look at this, there are loose leaves. However, this is the condition when I got this one from Macpol Native Garden. However, I am so happy that at this point, no, at this point this is already stabled and lush. Okay, try to see the leaves of this Vanda Buxali, and this is also mounted in a driftwood. Actually, I have 3. No, I have 3 Vanda Buxali here at Il Paraiso, and all of them are purchased or were purchased from Macpol Native Garden. Okay, and all of them are already stable. Okay, so I want you to see this one. So this is a Vanda Buxali. Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for requesting, no, for requesting to feature my special collection or my special collection of orchids here at Il Paraiso. So as what I have said, today I will be showing, no, I will be showing the 5 considered special collection here at Il Paraiso, and in my next videos I will be continuing to feature my special orchids here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. God bless, bye bye, and stay safe always.